going back to the roots.
We are walking the bank, guys. We're doing what we done as kids growing up. Before we had boats, before we had all this equipment, we're catching some fish.
And we caught some tanks already. Norman's already got like 2 of them over 4. I've got one that was 4.5. My dad's got one over 5.5 pounds. Oh, there it is. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that line just went. Got one?
Yes, there.
Heck yeah.
Like a second cast?
Yeah.
Second cast to the day,
Hey, it's a drop.
Love it.
Got 2.5. That might be more than 3. That might.
Check that out. Second cast of the day, dude.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Second cast.
Second cast of the day. Second cast of the day, guys. Check that crap out. You know, my boy Colin, myself, Colin's dad, Steve Burnett, we're doing something a little bit off the charts today, guys. We are getting back to our roots. Getting back to our roots. And what I mean by that is we are walking the bank of a private farm pond of a good buddy of Colin's. So anyway, guys, second cast of the day. Check that out. That's insane. We're going to have fun today, guys. Hang with us. It's going to be a fun day. She's a fat little beast too, isn't she, Colin?
Yeah, that's got, I mean, you can tell it's that time of the year where they're feeding up.
There she is, guys.
Got it?
She did look good. She was good anyway.
You got one
Oh man,
on?
this is awesome. Yeah. This is awesome, dude. This is pond fishing at its best. Oh, it's a good fish, guys.
Holy cow.
Really good too.
Need help, Norman?
Nah.
All right.
Guys, if you notice I'm a little out of breath, we're pond hopping today and hooked this fish on a lipless crankbait and had to run halfway around the pond for the needle nose pliers. It's all part of the game, guys. It's all part of this fun game of bank running.
Hey, and we're going back to the roots right here.
Back to our roots, guys, where we started out as children, walking down to our local fishing hole and just having a blast fishing, walking the bank. And I'll tell you, I'll be the first to tell you, I have not done this in a long time. You know, ever since I have been blessed with, you know, being able to be out on my boat every day. But guys, back to the roots. There's nothing like it. Pond hopping and catching fish like this. And this fish right here is probably close to almost 4 pounds. Probably not quite, but close to 4. I gotta catch my breath and catch another one, guys. This is fun. Where's my rod?
I got you.
Why don't you say we go catch another one, guys? I gotta catch my breath. Son of a gun, Colin took the pliers. I catch another one, I'm gonna have to run for them pliers again, man. That's alright. Colin remembered the pliers. I left mine back in the boat. So I can't complain. At least we have a set of pliers. It's hard to unhook these fish with the treble hooks on these little crankbaits when they eat it like that. Man, I'm out of breath. good.
I didn't.
No, just
I mean, he's stuck.
check that out, guys. That is Steve Burnett. That's 5'9" right there, guys. What do you have to say about that one, Steve?
It'll work.
That'll work, right?
Yeah. I've tried
Good deal.
to
Take him off the scale. Let's get you a still of that.
Huh?
Take him off the scale. Let's hold him.
Yeah, that's what
Get you a still of that.
Wait a minute. I gotta get a...
There you go, dude. Yeah, we sure did, Steve. I got a good video of that one, too. When you get in a minute.
Got one.
All right, nice one.
Yep.
Take your pick. All right, that's big and pretty good.
Woo-hoo! Look at this. Woo! About 4.5 right there. Maybe a little more. It's got a belly. Oh gosh. Hit it right at the bank.
Dead eyes, yeah. Dude. Yeah, she's on. Oh, this might be a good one, dude. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. It does not freaking get any better than this. Like this. She's barely hurt, too. Barely hurt. She has one hook in her.
Pliers solid.
Yeah.
She has one hook in her, too. Oh, she's barely hooked. That is what I'm talking about. Guys, this is what it's all about. And again, oh shit, no.
No, she's gonna, yeah.
It's all about walking the bank and keeping the dog out of the fish and the bait.
Yeah, she's already had to go to the vet
Yeah.
once because
Bait
of
fires.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think your buddy that gave us permission to come in here would be too appreciative if we stick his little puppy with a couple treble hooks. That wouldn't be a good luck for us.
This is the smallest one.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, what's that bait? I don't trust that dog at all. She won't eat the bait by itself, will she?
No. But she will lick the fish. Look at this.
Guys, this is what it's all about, guys. We are walking the bank on a pond, and We're gonna have to do this more often, man. This is a blast. I remember doing this as a kid, don't you?
Yeah, it is something else, man.
This is awesome, guys.
If I can get to fishing instead of having to help my dad and Norman get fish off the hook, because I'm the only one that brought pliers.
Yeah, right?
So, but it's been a blast though, hasn't it?
Yeah, it is. Hey,
But,
I want a picture of this one again. Yeah, and you know something, dude? Every one of these fish we're catching is, I can tell by the quality we're catching so far, one of us, whether it be Colin, whether it be myself, or whether it be Steve, one of us is going to connect with a giant before the day's out.
Yeah.
Just stay tuned and wait and see, guys. But look at the quality of these fish.
There are, I have personally put 2 7s, an 8.5, and about 5 or 6 5-pounders, and about 2 or 3 6-pounders in here. So
in other words, there's giants in here.
There's tanks.
So we just got to connect with them, guys. Let's connect with the
it's
fish.
that time.
Like that. Go back. Go home. Roll up to be one of them giants. Look at her take off, dude.
Yep.
Whew.
You
stay out of my fish, man. You keep away from my fish. I don't want you to get hooked.
Yep.
What do you say we catch another one? Let's go.
This got to be the smallest one of the day. Nice.
Under the line again? I got you guys going under? There's go. Alright guys, I'm trying to miss ducks here. I definitely don't want to hook a duck with this damn little crankbait. That wouldn't be fun at all. Come on guys. One side or the other. One side or the other. No! God dang it. No! I'm trying to miss the ducks. There you go, boys. Check that out. That's awesome, isn't it? Ah, she's got it right there. This is awesome, guys. Check that out. I think that was the same one. It hit it right here again, just like that other one came out. There's a little bit deeper, steeper drop right here. Yeah. All right, watch this. Check this out. She hit it right by the bank, guys. Get away from that doggy. Try not to hook a dog at the same time. She actually hit it as I was bringing it out. That's almost three casts in a row. I think it was 3 out of 4 casts. The first one actually hit the bait when it was about 5 inches above the surface as I was bringing it back to recast. And she almost hit it in midair. She missed it. The very next 2 casts, caught 2 more fish. This is a different one than the cast before that. The last one was actually a little bit smaller. But both these fish, I actually watched them come up and eat it like 2 foot from where I'm standing in the water. So that's crazy. I guess you're gonna make me walk back for the pliers? It's insane. Let's put this fish back in. Let her grow to live another day. Go back in there. That's insane, man. But you know what? This is a blast. This is a blast. I could honestly say this is the first time I've actually bank fished in years, and it's not going to be that long before we're back doing this again, because this is fun, man. This is fun. Alright, what is up? What's up? We got Colin, C&B Bass in 1983, myself, Norman Lee Fishing, and say the best for last, we got Steve Burnett. Well, you haven't been the net man too much lately here. You've been catching. You see, this man's been on him, guys. This man has been on him.
He's had a good guide, is what we're saying.
Exactly. No, today, we're going back to our roots, Colin.
Yep.
What do you think about that, man? Bank fishing.
Yeah, it's a blast.
Yep. But anyway, we had a great day.
So we've been fishing a buddy of mine's pond in Middle Tennessee. Got a hold of him, said, hey, we want to try to do some bank fishing, wanted to fish around your ponds if we can come. He said, yep, come on down. So we came down and we put the smack down on it. I believe we caught about, 15 bass or so. The bite kind of slowed down towards the middle of the day, or towards our end of the day fishing. But the bigger girls were biting early though, wasn't they?
Yep. Yeah, we caught several around the 4 pound, a couple over 4. Steve caught one about 5 pounds, 9 ounces. And I tell you what, though, we were hoping for a giant today, and I guarantee it, this place has some giants in it. And we're going to be back. We're going to be back to this pond here, because there's some giants in this pond, guys, and I'm looking forward to coming and stroking a couple of those giants.
Yep. But keep an eye out for this video. Go to YouTube to our new podcast, all right?
Yep. Check out our podcast and Deck Talk Podcast on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to our Deck Talk Podcast channel too.
Yeah.
Exactly, man. You know what, Colin? My belly needs to get full.
I'm telling you.
This skinny boy is getting hungry.
Yep, we got a good little drive back. So
guys, what do you say, Colin? Had a good day?
Good
Steve?
day.
Hey man, a lot of fun.
High five.
A lot of fun.
Yep, so remember, we'll see you out on the water and live the passion.
Tight lines.